Hello guys, I am Dilshad Ali for True Logics, an informative channel about information on electrical products and circuits. Here today in this video I am going to tell you about various type of timers that are widely used in industry as well as domestic areas. Okay, let us start the video. I will just zoom in the screen so that you can see it clearly. Mainly there are four types of timers. One is on delay timer, second one off delay timer, third one is on off delay timer, and the fourth one is flasher timer. Major difference between on delay and off delay timer I'll tell you. In on delay timer, delay starts once power is switched on to timer coil, whereas in off delay timer, delay starts once power is switched off to the timer coil. And then on off delay timer, in on off delay timer, delay is caused twice. Once power is switched on to the timer coil, and again when power is switched off to the timer coil. And the last one, flasher timer. It is also known as cyclic timer or repetition timer, because like on off delay timer, it too has dual time settings. One is on time, another is off time. Once power is enabled to the timer coil, its relay keeps on repeating on and off till the time switch S4 is disabled. Okay, I'll show you the live example. First, let us start with on delay timer. I'll switch on the power supply. You just view it minutely. I am enabling the switch S1 to the timer coil. Just see. See, you must have seen H1 lamp has come on after a delayed start of 2 seconds. 2 seconds I have fed into the timer coil. I'll switch off this timer. See off delay timer. See minutely what happens is, I'll enable switch S2 to the timer coil KT2. See what happens is, see output has immediately come on. Now see, I am switching off or disabling switch S2. See what happens is, means output lamp has gone off after a delayed time of 2 seconds. Now you see the on off delay timer. This is a combo timer, dual time settings. One is on delay, another is off delay. I'll just enable the switch S3 and you see it minutely. Just observe the output lamp S3. Yeah, output lamp has come on after a delayed time of 2 seconds. Now I will disable the switch S3. You see what happens is, output lamp S3 has gone off after a delay of 2 seconds. For easy understanding, I have set on off time equally 2 seconds. Now let us see the fourth circuit, that is flasher timer. Here I'll enable switch S4. You see what happens is it is also here also dual time setting is there. One is on timing, another is off timing. You can keep them equal or unequal as per your choice. I'll just disable switch S4. Friends, I have explained in brief about all these 4 timers. I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel TrueLogix.